The Garmin Fenix series has long reigned supreme among premium multi-sport GPS smartwatches. From its early incarnations as a rugged outdoor navigator to its latest Fenix 8 lineup, offering AMOLED screens, dive features, built-in speakers, and solar charging, it's become the de facto wrist companion for adventurers, athletes, and tech enthusiasts alike. Now, rumors of an imminent successor, the Fenix 8 Pro, are stirring the community, with potential upgrades that might make you rethink your next smartwatch purchase. Introduced on August 27, 2024, the Fenix 8 lineup marked a significant leap in hardware and functionality. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. It came in multiple variants: AMOLED display, solar charging MIP display, built-in speaker and microphone, diving capabilities, and extended battery life, ranging from $999.99 to $1,199.99 depending on size and specifications. This meant a serious upgrade over previous models, particularly with its AMOLED display providing crisp visibility and the solar versions delivering extraordinary endurance. Review outlets named it among the best premium running and outdoor watches of 2025, praising its navigation, fitness tracking, and rugged durability. The strongest rumor from multiple reputable sources suggests that the Fenix 8 Pro may introduce LTE connectivity, likely the sole new hardware feature separating it from the base. According to Notebook Check, Garmin is developing this LTE functionality for the Fenix 8 line, enabling features like emergency assistance and live tracking, although without full cellular capabilities like calls or music streaming. Inside the Garmin community, enthusiasts debate the significance. Everything I'm seeing makes it seem like outside of LTE there probably won't be much else. To me, that doesn't justify a new release. If the LTE connectivity will be the only new hardware feature, they better call it Fenix 8 LTE instead of Fenix 8 Pro. Beyond LTE, some fans hope for more dramatic upgrades, like a brighter AMOLED display, wireless charging, new sensor hardware, Elevate 6, or even luxurious carbon or titanium. These aspirations reflect high expectations, but currently, there's no confirmation that anything beyond LTE is on the roadmap. A speculative article outlines even bolder future possibilities, such as a Fenix 8 Micro LED model, featuring a micro LED screen for superior brightness, contrast, and energy efficiency. Enhanced sensors, including Elevate 6, better battery optimization, and more accurate GPS tracking on the Pro. These ideas hint at Garmin's ambitions beyond just a Pro refresh, though micro LED models may face production delays. Release timeline: when could the Fenix 8 Pro arrive? The Fenix 8 launched August 2024, following a roughly 2.5-year cadence from the Fenix 7 in early 2022. Meanwhile, the Fenix 7 Pro arrived in May 2023, about 16 months after the base model. By that pattern, the Fenix 8 Pro could plausibly debut in late 2025, possibly in the fall, though no official date has been announced. Some forum rumors even suggest a release tomorrow, but Garmin users quickly dismissed that as a mistake or placeholder. Here's why waiting for the Fenix 8 Pro might make sense. LTE for freedom. If you're adventuring far from a phone, having emergency tracking or messaging right